Self-control isn't something you either have or don't. It's a skill, and most people are training it wrong without even realizing it. Here's the biggest myth about self-control. People think it's about willpower in the moment, gritting your teeth and resisting temptation through sheer force. That's the weakest version of self-control, and it's exhausting because it relies on fighting the same battle over and over every single day. Unshakable self-control isn't built that way. It's built through 4 specific shifts. 1. Reduce the decision. Don't just resist it. Every time you have to consciously fight a temptation, you're spending limited mental energy. The people with the strongest self-control don't fight harder, they design their environment so the temptation barely appears. No junk food in the house, phone in another room while working. They removed the fight before it started. 2. Make the decision once, not every time. If you decide, I work out every morning as a fixed rule, you never negotiate with yourself at 6 a.m. But if you leave it open, I'll work out if I feel like it, you're relitigating the same decision daily, and willpower alone will eventually lose. Decide once in advance and remove it from daily debate. 3. Build tolerance for discomfort on purpose. Self-control weakens in people who've never practiced sitting with discomfort. Cold showers, delayed meals, hard workouts, these aren't really about the activity itself. They're reps for a mind that's learning discomfort is survivable, and I don't have to escape it immediately. 4. Track the pattern, not the perfection. One slip doesn't break self-control. Believing the slip means you're a failure, that's what breaks it, because it turns one missed day into an excuse to quit entirely. Strong self-control isn't 0 mistakes, it's returning immediately after one, without the spiral. Here's the real secret. Self-control isn't a fight you win once, it's infrastructure you build, piece by piece, decision by decision, until the hard choice stops requiring a fight at all, because you already decided who you are before the moment ever arrived. Comment infrastructure if you're removing one temptation from your environment today. Follow Zenith Wisdom. Next video, we break down the exact daily reps that build this from scratch.